Hello, Joanna. This is Andy McQuarrie with Alderman's Toyota in Rutland, Vermont. We're the only Vermont Toyota dealership that has 17 years of consecutive President's Awards from service to sales. We do a great job of taking care of customers, and we'd love to have you as one. So I want to give you a quick walk around on this vehicle so you have an idea as to just how nice it is. And again, thank you for your inquiry. So this is the 2015 Toyota Sienna. It is their top of the line model. It is a V6 motor and has lots of features about it that are very popular and make this vehicle very desirable. So first off, starting right in the front, a really nice looking front of the vehicle. Incredible headlights, great visibility at night, including fog lights down on the bottom in case it is a little bit misty out. One other thing about this vehicle is not only did it meet our standards as a dealership for used vehicles, and we're very selective, this actually met the very strict standards for certified pre-owned vehicles. So it has an incredible warranty that comes with it from Toyota manufacturing. And let's actually take a quick look at that. So this vehicle has 42,500 miles. Can't see that very well, but basically there's 1 year and 12,000 miles of comprehensive limited warranty, as well as 7 years, 100,000 miles of the powertrain that is covered. 1 year of roadside assistance, has to have a clean Carfax, so has not been in an accident, and also goes through a strict 160-point check to make sure the vehicle meets Toyota standards. Now, one other thing that has to be in good shape are the tires. And on this vehicle, the tires are in great shape. Brakes are checked, everything is checked to make sure it's in as like new condition as possible. And as I mentioned, this is one of Toyota's top of the line models. One great thing about it is you have these key fobs. Now you have 2 kids at home, I have 2 kids as well. Our Sienna is very convenient, especially when we need to get our kids in and out of the vehicle. Our 10-month-old is in a car seat, and it makes it so much easier to get him in and out of the vehicle. So, one thing about these is you have this key fob. So you have a power lift gate, as well as you can open up these doors. So let me show you how that works. I opened up the wrong side, sorry about that. Okay, there we go. As you can see, now this is the 7-passenger. So you can get a good idea as to how much room is in here. And these seats are adjustable, so you can move them forward and backwards depending on what you have for cargo or passengers. This is also, if you can see these little hooks, that's where you could actually add another seat and making this an 8-passenger. However, the way this was set up originally from the previous owner has it as a 7-passenger and makes it nice and easy to get into the third row. Now, to actually check out the front of the vehicle, this is where you can really get a better idea as to how well the vehicle was taken care of and how it was used by the previous owner. The buttons, you can see, are not worn. They're in like new condition, really well taken care of. And also this part of the vehicle, or the seat, this is where things tend to get a little bit more worn. Now, it's broken in a little bit, but it's not showing almost any sign of wear and just really well taken care of by the previous owner. So, a few other great things about the vehicle. Of course, it has cruise control, has hands-free Bluetooth phone, as well as lots of other features that I'll talk to you about. One other nice thing about this vehicle is it has lots of safety standards. Obviously, traction control, has crumple zones, so if you do get in an accident, is designed to crumple the outside of the vehicle to look bad on the outside, but where the passengers are, including in the inside of the vehicle, are really well protected. Tons of airbags for the entire vehicle. Really one of the safest vehicles on the road today. And you also have a power seat, also power lumbar support, so you can adjust your back to make yourself more comfortable. Now let's hop in the back here, get more of an idea as to what's going on the inside of the vehicle. Now you have a navigation system right in front of you. One great thing about this is it has dual temperature controls, and you can adjust the temperature controls in the back. So if the kids happen to be messing with the temperature in the back, making it too warm or too cold, you can control it from up front, making it really easy to make yourselves comfortable. The dual temperature controls are great. My wife and I fight over our temperature control because we do not have the dual temperature controls, and I run hot, she runs cold, and we're constantly fighting over that. So the nice thing is you can adjust that temperature to make yourself comfortable, and or if you have a spouse, you're comfortable as well. A couple of great things. It has all the technology that you need, connects to your phone, has a USB connector as well as a headphone jack, so depending on the type of phone you have, it will easily connect that way. Heated seats are really comfortable, and of course you have the sunroof, can tilt as well as go back. And also you can see here that you can, when you're inside the vehicle, you can open up the lift gate and you can open up the doors. So if you're sitting in the driver's seat, you can adjust those things. You also have push button start. Very convenient to keep the key in your pocket and just press the push button start and it'll start the vehicle. Let's take a look in the back. Now, these are power doors, and so if you don't want to have the key fob do it, you can just pull on the handle and it shuts the door. Okay, so this is the power lift gate here. I didn't push that hard enough. Okay, so back here you can see a few other things. You have a rear view camera to make things visibly easier to see on the outside, and then you also have backup sensors too, so it'll warn you if you get close to something. One of the things about vehicles of this size, it can be a little more difficult to see in the back because it is a little bit larger. But with between those two features, you can feel comfortable that you're not going to hit anything, and neither did the previous owner, because there's absolutely no damage on this vehicle. Just really well taken care of and nice to use. So regarding the inside of the vehicle, there is that 8th seat. It easily stows away there. But also, if you don't have anybody in the vehicle, you can adjust these seats to go all the way forward. So you can have an entire back here that is easily accessible, so that you have lots of options in terms of putting things from of larger size into the vehicle. Also really easy to adjust the seats as well, and a really well taken care of vehicle. And you just press the button on the top and it shuts that door. All right, so there she is, the 2015 Toyota Sienna. Feel free to click the link below to learn more information. Also, check out our website at aldermanstoyota.com, and feel free to stop by and check it out in person in Rutland, Vermont, Route 7 South. Thank you very much again, and have a great day.